In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get any username in Fortnite. With this trick that I'm about to show you, you can get any OG username in Fortnite whether or not it's already taken. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing that you need to do is open up the link in the description of this video and download this text file. This text file consists of the special character that we're going to need to apply this trick. So once you open this page, just click on download and that is going to download the text file. Once our special character is downloaded, what you need to do is open up your Epic Games settings. Now on this page, just edit your display name. And now what you need to do is whatever name that you select, you need to add this special character between all of the letters of your username. To copy the character, what you need to do is right click inside of the text file, click on select all, and now you need to right click again and press copy. Once you copy the character, just paste it between all of the letters of your new username. So if I want to get my current name but with a capital M, what I need to do is type a capital M, paste the character, press I, paste the character again, and then keep doing that for all of the characters until I reach the end. Now do keep in mind that this character should not be added at the start and the end of your username because that's going to completely break the name and then a question mark might appear in your username. So it is very important that you do not paste this at the start and the end of your username. You should only add it between two characters. Once you've set your new username, just check this box and click on continue. Now our new username has been updated. So let's quickly launch Fortnite and see what it looks like. The name looks perfect in the lobby, in the friends list, in the kill feed inside of the match, and also in the text chat that you see in game. It also looks perfect if someone is spectating you. So that is how you get any OG name inside Fortnite. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. If you'd like to get better performance and FPS out of your existing system, you can check out the link to my services in the description of this video. That is going to be it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.